I'm joined by the homie Walter, which is our shop dog, I guess. And yeah, I got a shop dog. Not a new shop dog, but I got a shop dog. A shop dog, garage dog. You ready to go wrench on the Firebird? I take that as a yes. Let's go. So yeah, if you don't know, this is our little garage dog, man. It's Walter. He's like, I don't even know, 4 or 5 years old. I can't remember right now. And he's like a weird mix-up of a wiener dog and a Labrador. I don't know, some weird creature. He's pretty curious, as you can see, like checking everything out. So hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Look at my dope ass hair, man. I love this rain outside. So today, what's going down is I'm gonna clean up the bottom side of the frame and get it ready for the sandblasting shop. And yeah, today we're joined by the homie Walter, as I probably said a lot of times now. The parts from yesterday have dried up and they're all nice. Also those two right there. So yeah, let's just get in some dirty clothes and yeah, make some room for this frame first of all, because we gotta move the engine, toolbox, few things to get it out on the floor, you know. So we're gonna turn it upside down this time. As you remember in the last video with the frame, we cleaned up the top of it, but now I'm gonna clean the bottom of it. We got a time for next week to get this frame sandblasted, so that's gonna be really awesome. To the people who ask, it's gonna get sandblasted, then metal coated, then we're gonna primer it with some strong metal primer, and then it's gonna be black. Nothing special, but just to the people who are wondering like, what the hell are you doing, my boy? And to all my Danish viewers, it's a place in Roskilde, so real nice, local. I have no idea if this giant thing can fit inside the Corolla. It's pretty wide and pretty big, so honestly I don't think we're gonna fit it in the Corolla at all. So we're gonna have to like rent a trailer or something. I don't know. Yeah, that's gonna be tricky. So guys, we got the frame moved without killing the dog or tipping it over or something, so that's great. Now we got an awesome work position and everything to get all the bottom. As you saw, we already cleaned the other side. As you can see, it's all nice down here and a little bit down here on this side. But then you take a look here on the underside. There's like an inch of just like mud, oil and dirt here. It's pretty insane. So first we're gonna scrape like the worst off, and then we're just gonna wire wheel the whole thing. Now I'm not gonna be able to like really clean it inside. I was thinking about like power washing it or something, but we're simply not gonna be able to, one man only, get it outside. I mean, I have to get it through right here, so that's pretty impossible. I'm just gonna have Walter help me clean up the bottom side, and then it's going to sanding next week. What's up, doggo? What's up, man? We out here, boys. Yo, fix my engine, dog. So guys, what I'm gonna do now is trying to get all the grease off and stuff. So we're gonna use this grease remover, which is really powerful and stuff, and I should probably wear some kind of mask actually. So we're gonna cover the whole frame in that and let it sit. So we're gonna take that probably on a rack or something and then like wipe the whole frame down, so it's like zero grease, you know, no oils, no nothing, you know. So it's ready to get sandblasted, because the sandblasting shop doesn't take like an old frame in with undercoating everything on and then just sandblast it, because that would ruin the sand. They actually like reuse the sand most of the time. So if this gets absolutely like blasted all over the place, this shop gonna look like shit too, right? I don't know how a sandblasting shop look, but whatever. So of course they want us to remove all grease, mud and dirt and stuff like that. Okay, we got it. It's so dangerous, you know. I don't know if it's actually like bad to inhale, but now of course also be sure to wear like some kind of gloves or something, because just as powerful as it is here in the middle, it probably also is on your hand, you know. So there we go, we're gonna turn on the ventilation in here and then I'm gonna go for a walk. See you later, guys. On the agenda is long. So what's gonna happen now is, yeah, we gotta wait for this thing to get sent off to sandblasting. And then Walter, he's gonna be so hyped about it. He's so damn hyped. I think what I'm gonna do now is trying to clean up the power steam pump, because that's absolutely gross too. Let's get the pump. Give me, crazy dog. So what we're gonna do here is we have the power steam pump. We're gonna get this pressure line off, then we're gonna take the bracket off, and then I'm probably gonna empty it. I don't know if there's any more fluid in it, probably. And then we're just gonna clean it up, as all the other cool parts. And I really think it's awesome that we're able to clean so many of these like items up. Like the bearings in this pump, right? Works perfect. There's no play in the bearings or anything. Still nice hardware to them. The hose is not cracked anywhere. Probably gonna get a new one anyway. It's just so nice. Everything. Yo, fuck! Yo! No! Ah! I forgot there's not a hose on back here. Oh, fuck me, yo. So that, yeah, yeah, that answered my question right there. The pump is officially bleeding. Fuck me. Fully empty the thing from fluid. So oh, that actually fits nice. It's so rare actually that like that these bolts actually like fit any of the sockets that I got. There you go. So nice bracket. You already know what's gonna go on here, man. Hand it down, a wire wheel, then some sandpaper, metal primer, black. Let's go, boy. So the reason why I'm actually probably gonna get a new hose here is this bolt down here is absolutely rounded, because yeah, you already know what tool I'm working with. So hopefully I'm thinking that we can somehow get it off over here, which I don't know, should be possible, but yes, there we go, man. Thank you. Thank you so damn much. I appreciate you cooperating with me. Nice. I mean, this hose doesn't really, like, it's still perfect. Just gotta clean it up, you know. Still nice, flexible and everything. But this fitting in here is what we have to replace. Look at that, I got this like pipe all twisted, yo. It's just
he must have skill.
a quick tip for like painting small parts on top of it. When you're done grinding it down and blah blah blah, you're gonna take something to like get grease off or something, I don't know, some alcohol cleaner. But let's say you don't have that, which I actually ran out of right now. You can also go out to your sink or whatever and use hot water and something to scrub with and get it all nice and clean, and it literally works just as good if it, of course, is not absolutely covered in grease. But the plus item is this is totally hot now, nice and hot, heated. So when the paint comes on it, it's gonna stick really well. So yeah, we're gonna hang this up in the ceiling as the other small parts and paint it. So let's go. Kind of like Christmas with hanging all these things up, right? All these gifts or whatever, you know, adult gifts, I guess. So I can see a few places on the things that hang up. I forgot to like spray from the top, so I probably have to take that when it's down, you know. But it doesn't matter. It turned out really nice anyway. Oh, that's the one we're gonna paint. Same with this one. We kind of forgot the top, but the rest of it is real nice. It turned out great. Now I'm really curious to see the bell house over here. So we just got done painting that bracket. Now what we're gonna do is paint the pump itself, which we have right here. And my camera is just about to die, so hopefully we can quick time lapse. So my camera is just about to die. My